Here's a quick tutorial on how to mine LiteCash on Coinmine.pl. First, we need to go to Google and search for gminer 2.33. This is the current version of gminer that works with beam hash 1 algorithm. There is also the recent version of LOL miner, which continues to support beam hash 1 as well. Select gminer 233 _ Windows 64. As you can see, I've already downloaded it, but save it to a location that you can remember on your PC. Once we have that saved, open up the folder where it's located, right click on the zip file. I use 7-zip. Feel free to use the built-in Windows zip utility. I use 7-zip. Just select extract to gminer 233 Windows 64. Done. Now we can open up this folder. We see the easiest way you can create a new file. I generally just take the mine_beam.bat, rename it to mine_cache, right click, select edit. Here we see a string in here, which this is how we tell the miner what to mine and what to connect to. So to get this information, we go to Coinmine.pl. At the very top, we see cache. Here, we are going to simply set up anonymous mining. We want to copy this string of characters here without the dot and the slash back into our batch file, paste over top of this. This tells us we're going to use the beam hash 1 algorithm, servers Coinmine.pl, port, all that good stuff. Now we need to, since we're anonymous mining, we need to specify the wallet address that we're going to be using for mining. So go into your wallet, create a new LiteCash address, which I've already done. Make sure to set it to not expire. That way you don't have to constantly change your mining address on the Coinmine site. Paste it in there, right over top of the old address. Select File, Save. Now we go into gminer folder and we double click the mine_cache.bat file that we set up. This opens up this window. You can now see that we are mining on my RTX 3070 8GB. We are connected to Coinmine. We are authorized, and we have started mining. Here you can see that we are receiving new jobs. All is good. Now to see our mining progress on the pool, from this page here, we select Anonymous Dashboard. It will ask for the wallet address that we specified, so paste that in here. Select I'm not a robot, fill out the CAPTCHA, and then click Login. Now, keep in mind that this may take a few minutes before it shows up. I previously submitted a few shares to ensure that I would be able to show you what we're seeing. Here we can see the worker, which is just the wallet address .default. It gives you your hash rate, 24-hour, 1 hour, and it tells you estimated reward per round, and your current hash rate. Here's where you see your balance confirmed and your balance unconfirmed. Unconfirmed would be coins that you've already mined, yet it's just going through the process of confirming on the chain. And balance confirmed is what is available to pull out of the exchange or of the pool. Select settings. Here we can request a payout. With LiteCash, we have to manually request payouts because the wallet must be online while the payout is being sent. So to ensure that coins don't get attempted to send and then fail, they require a manual payout. So when you're ready to pay out and you have some under that balance confirmed, just click cash out here. And that will start the process, and watch your wallet, and within a few seconds you'll see them show up. So that's it. That's a quick way of mining LiteCash.